Hi there, legal professionals. My name's John Riemann and I'm the CEO and founder of Cybersecurity. What if I told you that your next networking opportunity not only gave you the chance to win a high-end drone, but at the same time you'd be helping to support a worthwhile cause to fight cancer, and all you have to do is play a game? Sound too good to be true? Well, let me tell you how. This year we'll be at the ALPMA event at the Sydney ICC from the 3rd to the 5th of September, and we're on stand 55. But here's the thing about most trade shows. After the 5th booth demonstration, they kind of all start to blur into one. You're collecting brochures, you're having conversations, which by lunchtime you've probably forgotten. But your cybersecurity challenges are not going away. They're getting ever more complex. But here's the thing. Do you just want to hear another story about a data breach? So that's why this year we've decided to flip the script on stand 55 with our exciting game Data Booster, which allows you to collect digital coins and climb the leaderboard with a chance to win a high-end drone. Sadly, I think we all know someone who's been affected by cancer. But that's why this year at our stand, it isn't just about winning prizes. For everyone who makes the top 10 leaderboard, Cyooda Security will donate to Cancer Council. So while you're moving away from all the hustle and bustle and grind of the show, you'll know that you're supporting a worthwhile cause to help cancer research. It's networking with purpose. So whilst you're having fun, you'll also discover why law firms trust Cyooda Security with their cybersecurity needs. We've walked in your shoes. I used to be a CISO at a global law firm, so I know the unique challenges that you face and the risks that come with that. We don't just offer a one-size-fits-all approach to what we do. We provide protection with purpose and that actually works. So here's your invitation. I'm John Riemann. I want to see you on stand 55. Come and play Data Booster with your chance to win a drone, but at the same time supporting cancer research, and learn firsthand how Cyooda Security protects what matters most to your firm. Trust me, it'll be the most productive and fun booth visit you'll have all day. See you there.